For those watching the extras, it might be beneficial to have another sheet of paper. Another paper, perhaps. Okay. These might take some space. To help us as well, I'll erase the previous, just so we are not limited. Okay, hope everybody is doing fine. Phoenix is sitting next to me, supervising, and he, as we all are ready to factor. That's good enough. Okay. 3 terms. So I don't need to group. It's already set equal to 0. Nice and easy. So we're going to remove common factors. So I see a 4 and I see an x. And that means we have x to the 4th left. And we have negative 10x squared. And we have a positive 9. 9 equals 0. Okay. And we're going to factor from before. X to the 4th is really x squared. Let's see. We have a 9. Oh no, but 9 and 1. Negative 9 minus 1. And we have a 4x. X squared minus 9 is really x plus 3. X minus 3. X squared minus 1. Oh my gosh, we have double perfect squares. Okay, 4x, don't forget about him. And again, we have an x to the 5th, so we should have 5 different solutions. And here they all conveniently are. Again, setting this equal to 0, that means 4x equals 0, x equals 0, x plus 3, that means x equals negative 3, x minus 3, x equals positive 3, x plus 1, x equals negative 1, and x minus 1, x equals positive 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 golden rings. And number 3, that is my favorite Christmas song, D-Money, if you write down my favorite Christmas song on, say, the exit slip. So, good stuff for you guys watching. Again, the 12 days of Christmas. Negative 27x to the 3rd plus x squared minus 6x. Again, got to be set equal to 0, so we're going to add 6x to the 4th plus 6x to the 4th. Let's put it in standard form. Equal to 0. And to be nice for ourselves, let's take out a negative. Looks like they all have a common factor of, oh, this is negative 6, not 16. Otherwise, I was panicking because they didn't have anything in common. Let's take out a negative 3x squared. I believe they all have 3 in common. That will leave us with a 2x squared. And it will leave us with a minus, or a positive 9x and a negative 5. Okay, so be careful. Again, I took out a negative, which is going to change both of these signs. You don't have to do that, but it will make factoring this easier. Now, I need things of 2x and x, factors of the first, factors of the last. It's either going to be negative 5 and positive 1, or it's looking like it'll be positive 1 and negative 1. Don't forget about negative 3x squared out front. And my factors, so these are factoring skills from way before. The 2x is going to need to go to the 5. And the x is going to have to go to the negative 1. Here are my chunks to solve. Negative 3x squared equals 0. That means x equals 0. 2x minus 1. That means x equals, so if we add 1, 2x minus 1 equals 0. positive 1/2, and x minus 5 equals 0, x equals negative 5. Now, if you've been paying attention, you might be saying, but wait, Mr. D, there should be 4 answers. Okay? And where the 4th answer is technically when we take the square root of 0, it's a plus or minus 0. But to us, and to anybody, that's the same thing as just a regular 0. So very savvy of you if you're like, but Mr. D, there's not 4. There they are. It's just the plus or minus 0, 1/2, and negative 5. So that is just a little side note of information. Awesome stuff, guys. Again, D-Money for you. Have a wonderful rest of your day.